Buckle up, everybody, because we're going to Greece. Well, I might not be able to be there in person, but you know what? At least my fingernails can dream about it. Anyways, this month's Sparkle & Co. subscription is themed for Greece, and I changed my sub-level to the $45 option. Everything about every single level will be listed below if you're curious, but I'm so excited to show you what comes in this month's bag. Alright, so I want to take you guys through what came in this month's subscription bag. I actually downgraded to the $45 Luxe bag. I wanted to see what the difference was between the I Want It All OG and the Luxe bag. And basically the main difference is you don't get the I Want It All dip powder / the 1 ounce Christie's favorite, and you don't get the gel polish products. So I'm not mad about that, and I actually think this tier subscription is the sweet spot. It's like the good in between to get a lot of products, especially if you're a dip fiend like me, but you don't want gel and stuff like that. And yeah, so where I'm at here is this month's bag liquid is the Base Bond liquid. I don't usually use their liquids, but you know what, I don't mind. Sometimes you need new swatching liquids, right? They also came out with a gorgeous sunset chrome, or sunshine chrome, sorry, chrome powder, and it has an applicator which is in my house. This is my favorite item from the bag, and it is the Greek Goddess polish. This is definitely going on my toes. It's absolutely stunning. Some of the fun items, so we have a candle, Mediterranean fig. It looks like it's in like a coconut shell. It's really, really cute. I love this. They came out with another fun item, which is their branded small speaker. There's a really, really tiny speaker, which I haven't tried yet, but I'm intrigued by it. And then here are the dip powders and the swatches. This one in the middle is for the nail polish, but it came with 4 dip powders. Alright, so see, the Greek sun changes from yellow to blue in the sun. Santorini sunset is a gorgeous sunset-like flake. This one, it's one of my favorites. Paradise Beach, oh my gosh, and it has like little clay pieces in it. I don't know, it's really nice. And then SB 150, which is Mykonos Party, is this blue. I actually have it on my finger already. It's like a mix of flakes and glitter. I'll show you the jar. You can really see the flakes in the jar a lot better. See right there? It's really, really cute. And here is the flakes in Santorini Sunset. So yeah, that's the breakdown of this month's bag. And then let me show you guys how I did this mani. This month's sub bag is what dreams were made of, and I'm going to be using these 3 in my mani today. As a disclosure here, I accidentally was cropped out of frame so you can see me put on my Base Bond liquid, so I'm just already dipping my thumb, already ahead of the game. But this color is so insanely gorgeous. It is flaky and beautiful, and I absolutely love it. So I'm going to be using 3 colors on my nails. This blue flaky one is going to go on my index finger and my thumb. The cobblestone looking one is going to go on my middle finger, and then the sunset flaky one is going to go on my pinky and my ring finger. I know it's an unlikely combo, it doesn't make sense, there's no rhyme or reason. I just really liked all 3 of these colors, and I wanted to use them in a manicure. Looking back, I'm like, maybe I should have worn just 1 color on all 5 fingers. I don't know. I'm just living my best nail life and pretending I'm in Greece, you know? Why not? hope you have a vacuum ready because this color gets everywhere. The flakes fly everywhere. It's actually so beautiful, and I wouldn't mind like ombreing it on a black dip powder because the flakes are just stunning. Which, by the way, if you've never tried their Flexi Flakes, I think it's their number 103, DP 103 line. There's like 8 different Flexi Flake colors. Use that over a black powder, you will be blown away. But I really love how flaky this powder is. It's a mixture of flakes and glitter. But the color I'm using right now is going on my ring and my pinky, and it's just like a nice peachy coral. And I'm not sure if it's a color changer or not. Is it? I don't know. I have to look this information up. You know, it was on the info card that came in the bag, and I didn't look it up. Oh well. Anyways, I really, really like this one. This one would make a gorgeous 5 all around like one color mani. I should have done it on all 5 fingers, but then I look at the blue and I'm like, but I wanted the blue really bad. I couldn't decide. That's why this mani came about. And then I'm just in love with how unique the middle finger one is going to be. It's a very unique color, so I had to do that too. And I wouldn't like, so you know those swirl designs that are really popular lately that people are doing, like the cuticle swirl? I know I did one in November for my Veterans Day mani, but I didn't really do a swirl. I did like, it kind of is a swirl. It's not like a curve. It was a swirl around the cuticle line down to the free edge. This glitter dip powder reminds me of that manicure because it was like, it did have like clay pieces in it. So I just think this would really be like a really fun like curve or swirl mani design to use the glitter that's going on my middle finger. Sorry, I don't know the names yet. I haven't memorized them because I've only had this dip for a day, so. But I'm just like patting these down because the flakies are kind of flying everywhere. But if you gently pat them down, they sit down very nicely. So I'm going to go ahead and apply 2 dips of this glitter onto this nail, and then I'm going to encapsulate everything in clear. The clear encapsulation is going to happen off camera because I have to do 5 fingers. It is going to take a minute, and I'll see you guys in a minute. So this is pretty much what everything looks like. I'm going to dust it off, clear encapsulate, and come back so that I can activate, file, shape, and buff. So it does look kind of cloudy with the clear dip on it, but don't worry, once it's like all dusted off and activated, it like the full beauty comes out. Because the clear dip powder that I'm using is absolutely amazing, no cloudiness, no bubbles, it's gorgeous. See, look, you can see it like transform and come back to life. So now that everything is all done, I'm going to top coat all those things, file, shape, and buff off camera, and I will be back to show you guys the finished product. So I ran outside real quick to take some photos in natural daylight so you guys can really see what it looks like. The blue is definitely my favorite out of the 3 now that I see it in sunlight. And then I went into the Sparkle & Co. Facebook group and saw some mani combos that make me want to switch up my nails right now. But before you go, if you've never shopped at Sparkle & Co., here are some details about their sub-bag referral program. But if you don't want to get their sub bag and you just want to order stuff from their website, here is a first order referral program, and then there's more perks if you've been in the sub bag for a while. So be sure to screenshot those and get all the information if you've never purchased from them before. But thank you guys so much for watching my videos. I really appreciate you guys for being here, and I will see you in the next video.